Graphing quadratic function. Okay, number 13, which we just solved this earlier. Which answer choice describe how the graph of f of x equals x squared was transformed to create a graph of n of x equals x squared minus 1. Okay, well, just graph both. Okay, so let's put that f of x equals x squared. That's a graph, the black. Okay, and then n of x equals x squared minus 1. Here we go. Look at the difference. So the first line is the f of x equals x squared. The second line is the x squared minus 1. So what happened here? So it shifts down vertically. So the answer is letter C. Next question is number 17. Which value of x is solution to this equation? So I'm just going to do is I'm just going to type that. F of x, squiggly line, remember the equal sign, squiggly line, x raised to 2, squiggly line, 30x minus 45. Okay. So you don't let me go. Let me do it, no? Okay. There's another way. I'm going to type both. Shift, cut. That's the first graph and the second graph. So I split the equation into two. So now I'm going to look for the intersection. Where do they intersect? Oh, it's not. So it's not showing up my intersection here. There you go. The intersection is 3 and 45. So the question here is, what is the solution? So my solution is the x. Okay. My answer is 3. Okay. Not really sure why this is not showing up here. Let's try it again. Squiggly line, 30x minus 45. It's not letting me do it. Okay. It's not letting me do it, but it's okay. That's how you're doing it. The other way, it's split the equation into two. The first equation and the second equation. And then look for the intersection. Look for that dot in there. It's not there, somewhere here. There you go. That's a dot. Okay. The answer is x equals to 3. Question number 40. Number 40, which graph represent h of x? I'm just going to type that. H of x equals x plus 1 and x minus 3. So which graph that represent that? Okay, here you go. Look at the intersections. Some are looks the same. Okay, look at the intersection. This is 1, negative 1 and 0. And on y-axis, 0, negative 3, vertex, and x-axis. So let's verify that. This is matching letter A. Okay, so it's matching letter A.